All right, fifth graders, this video is going to talk to you about a simple concept called y-intercept. And y-intercept is a term that you're going to need to use moving forward with algebra in the future, and it's a pretty quick and easy thing to understand. So as we break it down, you see I have this word y, so we know that this is going to deal with the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is the axis that runs vertical, so it's how up or down a coordinate is. The y-intercept, basically what that means is where does a line touch or cross over the y-axis? That's why it's called the y-intercept. Where does it intercept the y-axis? So looking at a simple line like this one here on this coordinate grid, my y-intercept of this line, I can see where does it cross the y-axis? Well, it crosses at -1. So that would be my y-intercept. My y-intercept is -1. All right. If I look at this one, where does it cross? Where does it cross that vertical y-axis? That would be 2. So in this line, the y-intercept would be 2. Oops, gave me a Post-it note there, but it would be 2. Now, in the future, you're going to learn some formulas of how to find it, but for our purposes during this unit, I just want you to know what is the y-intercept. Can you solve it? Can you eyeball it and tell me where it crosses? And remember that all that is wherever a y-intercept or wherever a line crosses that y-axis. Now, sometimes you're going to get some curved lines or lines that zigzag back and forth. Some functions kind of do that. And so there might be more than one y-intercept for some lines. But for a line that just crosses once, it's where it crosses over.